Hi there. Ready to connect your custom domain? Navigate to your settings page within Unstack. You'll notice that currently we have the Unstack subdomain option active. To change this, click on the custom domain option. The text that I've highlighted shows instructions on what you should do. For the URL, you'll want to use the subdomain, domain, and TLD for what we type in. Here, we'll type in www.unstack-example.com, then click Set Domain. This can take up to several seconds to save. If you're on a paid account, you'll want to add SSL, which will give you the root domain redirection. This means if I navigate to unstack-example.com, I'll be redirected to www.unstack-example.com, where the site is hosted. This can take a moment since it needs to set up the SSL records through the backend API. Now that the records are ready, click Close. Under the domain section, you'll see a table where there are 3 records. I can see this because we're using a paid subscription. If I was on a free plan, we would still only have 1 record, www. On the right in the status column, these 3 records show pending. This is because we need to go to our DNS host and update the records there. For this example, I'll use our demo portal to show what your DNS host will look like. You'll find this in your registrar. Your registrar is who you've registered your domain through. No matter where you are hosted, this is where you'll input your records. If you have questions about this, please contact the person who configured your domain and ask them how you can adjust your DNS records. To begin this process, let's head back to Unstack. The first record we'll copy over is called @. You can see that this is called an A record. Copy the value and paste it into where it says value. Make sure to change the host name to match Unstack, in this case, @, along with the type of record it is you're adding. For TTL, you can set this to the lowest value, but we typically like to leave it on auto since time to live does not make a big difference in configuration. Next, we'll copy over the www record, which is a CNOM type. Then, do this again for the last record. Now that all 3 records are entered in, it will take up to 24 to 48 hours for your domain to go live. You may need to delete existing records if there's already an existing CNOM or A-type record. Our support team cannot help with this part. However, anyone who is a technical resource within your company should be able to assist with this. Within 24 to 48 hours after your configuration, you'll notice that the status column will change from pending to properly configured. If you've done these steps but you're still running into issues, please reach out to your Unstack support team. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.